In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude for UI design. We'll start right from your browser and go all the way to getting Claude to produce a clear UI/UX brief and initial design outputs you can use. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI, then press Enter. In the search results, look for the official Claude website so you land on the chat interface. Once you're there, you'll see a message box where you can talk to Claude. Now it's time to craft your first prompt. For this workflow, you want Claude to produce a clean, beginner-friendly UI or UX project brief for a student app powered by Claude. Make sure your message clearly asks for these pieces: key features, a simple user flow, screen structure, a design style direction, a component list, and a plain language wireframe description. Being explicit helps Claude organize the answer in a way that translates into design work faster. You might say something like, create a beginner-friendly UI/UX brief for a student productivity app. Include key features, a concise user flow from onboarding to task completion, a screen list with purposes, a visual style guide, a component inventory, and clear wireframe descriptions in plain language. Add any constraints that matter to you, like mobile first, minimal color palette, or accessibility emphasis. When you're satisfied with the prompt, click Submit. Give Claude a moment to generate the response. You should see a structured brief come together, usually starting with goals or users, followed by flows, screens, and components. Read through it carefully and note any sections you want to push further or clarify. Next, ask Claude to generate more based on the brief. This is where you write a second prompt that tells Claude exactly what to produce. For example, you can ask it to expand the wireframe descriptions for each screen, propose example copy for headlines and buttons, suggest a basic color and type pairing that matches the style, or translate the component list into a checklist you can drop into your design tool. Keep it direct, like, using the brief above, generate detailed wireframe descriptions for each screen and a component checklist I can build in my design system. The clearer the instruction, the more immediately usable the output. Finally, click Submit again and wait for the results. From here, you can keep iterating by refining your prompts and resubmitting. That's all you need to start using Claude to move from idea to a structured UI plan you can design against.